6,500 feet in the Swiss Alps, which is absolutely beautiful up here. And been working on these trees. This is the second day working on these trees. What the trees are saying is we want to grow faster in the shorter season. And that's real important to us because we need to sustain ourselves, sustain our growth, but also with climate conditions, extreme conditions, we need more food than we did previously before. So we need to grow faster and make more food even in the short season. So what we did today is we work with the trees to help them do that. In this manner, they can reach their individual goals, they build better community, and the big piece is we help repair their functionality, their internal functionality. We did that yesterday as part of that whole treatment. But then today was kind of like moving that whole thing forward, moving everything forward a step, so that now they're can make even more, grow faster, and make even more food for themselves in this shorter season, so that they're able to handle the climate extremes and be sustainable in the climate extremes, so the climate extremes don't get to them and send them into a decline cycle. So that's what this is all about. And now the trees will move. They'll continue to grow, continue to be very, very healthy, and not only continue, but they'll actually grow more is what's going to happen, because they want to grow faster in the shorter season and make more food, and they'll be less susceptible to the climate extremes, which is really what we want to have happen. Now, this is real important because it's not only important for the Alps, but you have to understand this is important for the big picture, and the big picture is the world. Because in the world, we're looking for places like this, because this is where our oxygen comes from. In parts of the world, we're destroying trees, and that takes down the oxygen supply. You know, everybody worries about CO2, how much CO2 we're taking up, you know, how much this, how much that we're taking up, but how about how much oxygen we need? And we need this oxygen. And by keeping the Alps healthy, they're better able to compensate for some other areas of the globe that A, aren't healthy, or B, are being torn up so that they no longer can grow and produce the oxygen that they need to produce for people and all beings to live. So that's why this work is so important.